Before replacing the bulbs, turn off the headlights and the ignition. If possible, do not touch the bulbs with your bare hands on the glass body. Although negligible, this can lead to a shorter lifespan for the bulbs.
Low beam.
Access to the xenon lamp is through the flap of the wheel arch liner. Release the two clips and pull the flap outwards. Remove the plastic cover by turning it. First, pull the plug. Just shake it a little and pull. It doesn't have any special lock. Then remove the xenon lamp from the reflector by turning it counterclockwise. There is still a connecting ring on the lamp. Remove this and mount it on the new bulb. Then mount the connecting ring back onto the new xenon lamp. Make sure that the ring is in the correct position again. There are two recesses for the ring at this point. If the ring is twisted, you can't get it closed anyway. Then install the new lamp back into the headlight. And plug it back in. Then install the covers and you're done. It is not absolutely necessary to adjust the headlights again.
Turn signal.
The indicator lamp is accessible from above, i.e. via the engine compartment. Twist off the cover. Remove the socket from the reflector by turning it counterclockwise. Push the bulb in and turn it simultaneously to release it. When installing, simply reverse all the steps shown. That's it. Good luck doing it yourself.